Assalamu alaikum all JSN pen. Today's subject Honor X6C Nic LX2 drum file XML F64 box dead mode 100% trusted. Now see you download M1 WhatsApp and Telegram join it. Okay. Next Z828 loader flashing date EMC. Now see check download 100% trusted. Next Oppo A17K CPS 2471 MDM file 2026 year new version 100% trusted. Now see you download M1 WhatsApp Telegram join it. Next Labai Yova L2LX41 plus file after flashing dead mode 100% tested. ZT-V80 7551N dump file date only SPD board show 100% tested. Now see you download M1 WhatsApp Telegram join it. Next Symphony Helio 80 FAQ file 100% tested. Download now. Next Poco C81 Pro MDM. Okay. After flashing dead mode only SPD board show. Next ZT Salt A73 ZT7060 dump file unlock tool. Now see you download M1 WhatsApp and Telegram join it. Next Techno pattern of V float AD10 flash file 100% trusted. Next Infinix X1102B flash after flashing date only empty port show. Next ZT Blade A51 paste file. Next Benko AOP520 dump file unlock tool. Now see you download M1 WhatsApp and Telegram join it. My file 100% trusted. Okay. At first my YouTube channel subscribe, like and comment on Facebook, share any problem you want WhatsApp, Telegram join it. My service 24 hours. Good night, all JSN. I am ready only for you.